In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage a sales team in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. We'll keep this fast, clear, and practical so you can get your team organized and working in sync right away. Start by heading to the top right corner of your Pipedrive dashboard and clicking your profile. From that menu, select Manage Users. This is your central hub for adding people and controlling what they can see and do. In the Manage Users area, click the Add Users button at the top right. You'll be prompted to enter your team's work email addresses. Add the addresses for everyone you want in your sales workspace. Double-check spelling and domains so invitations reach the right people. If you see options for roles or basic access while adding users, keep them minimal for now. You'll fine-tune permissions in a moment. Once your users are added, move over to the Permission Sets tab. Permission sets determine what different roles in your organization can access. Things like visibility into deals, the ability to delete data, or access to reports. Create custom permission sets that match how your team operates. For example, you might create a set for reps who can view and update their own deals, a set for managers who can see their entire team's pipeline, and an admin-level set for trusted system owners. Keep it simple, name sets clearly, and follow the principle of least privilege so people only get what they need to do their jobs effectively. After creating the sets, assign your users to the appropriate one right here. Next, go to the Team Filters tab. This is where you organize people into teams so you can filter views, segment reports, and keep performance insights tidy. Click the Create Team button at the top right. Give your team a clear name, select the team manager, add a helpful team description so others know its scope or region, and then add the team members you just invited. Make sure the manager you choose has the right permission set to oversee the group. When everything looks correct, save the team. And there you go. You've added your users, defined exactly what they can access, and organized them into a team that's ready to collaborate. From here, you'll be able to filter your pipelines by team, run team-based reports, and keep your CRM clean and accountable. That's all.